So you start out as an entrepreneur, but then very often entrepreneurs start at the very beginning to gain any form of traction. And I wondered if you have advice kind of on how to get from 0 to 1, how to kind of get these first steps, your first set of customers.
I think the answer to that is very different for every company, but there are certain commonalities. And, you know, you can ask yourself a set of questions that maybe are obvious. They'll sound obvious once I say them, but are actually somehow easy to miss. The first thing to ask yourself is, who has this problem the most? Whose problem am I solving? Who needs a solution more than anyone else? Then what of those set of people are the easiest to approach, the most likely to use my product? Third, do I have the means to get there? What do I do to get in front of those people? Do I understand? Do I have their phone number? Do I know them personally? How can I get them to use my product? And if you can answer those three things successfully, if you have, maybe it's a hack to get to those people, maybe you know somebody who has this problem, or you have some way of getting in front of those people, well, then you can go from 0 to 1 and get someone to use the product. Remember, you're giving them something they desperately need. Find that person. Find the person who desperately needs your product, and getting them to use it won't be that hard.